Okay, within the fraction parative division video, we're going to do 2/5 divided by 7/3. So just a quick definition of like the fraction parative division definition is that we want to share equally amongst groups. We know how many is in each group, but we want to see how many is in one group. So I'm just gonna quick do how I would do this problem without explaining it first. It's 2/5, and then I know that I would need to do multiply by the reciprocal, which would give me 6/35. So how can I explain that we just easily flip it like this? First, I'm going to draw my 7/3. And then I'm going to fill this in 7/3. So remind you that this whole thing is our whole. So if we want to actually see how many is in each group, we have 2/5 of our, just say this is our candy bar, and we want to see how many is in one, but so we have 7/3, but we don't actually want 7/3. We want 7 pieces. So we can't do 7/3, we want 7 pieces. We're going to have to do 1/7 because 1/7 can actually fit into 2/5. Then we need to multiply by 3 because we have 3 pieces to get to the whole. So we need to multiply our 1/7 by 3 because we have 1/7 of the batch that can fit into 2/5, and we have 7 pieces, and then by 3 because we have 3 pieces to get to the whole. That makes sense. So if I'm going to multiply this, I'm going to make it a little bit nicer because 3/1 is the same thing as 3. So I can go ahead, multiply this first, which is 3/7. So then we have 2/5, which is the same thing as when I quickly showed you up here how to multiply it using the reciprocal. All I did was broke it apart, showed you an easier way of finding how many pieces goes into the 2/5, and voila, 3 times 2, 6/35. So that is how many is in one. Parative division.